Once upon a time, there were two little birds in the middle of a big forest, and they were hiding under a big tree. The tree was completely covered with snow because it was the middle of winter. It was very cold. And one of the little birds asked the other birds, "You know, I've been thinking about this really difficult question." And the other bird said, "Oh, what is that?" So the first bird said, "What I was wondering, what do you think is the weight of a snowflake?" And the second bird said, "The weight of a snowflake? Well, that's nothing. It's actually even less than nothing. It weighs nothing." So the first bird said, "Well, let me tell you something that happened to me just yesterday. You see that big tree over there? I was sitting there yesterday, and it had just started to snow. So I was counting the snowflakes as they were falling on the same branch. 1, 2, 3, 10, 25, 165, 1,370, 21,375, and you know what happened? The branch broke under the weight of what?
Nothing.
Of nothing!
Because it's a lot.
So the second bird then said, I never thought of it that way. That every little nothing, if you accumulate them, they can become a big thing. And this is exactly how our little efforts in this world can have a huge effect."